Vinny and the crew of Royal Wood Flooring will be installing bamboo flooring for Riverton Piano Company. Riverton Piano Company has opened a new location in Peoria.
So we'll be installing on this floor, in the front, and just up to the back. And of course, we will not have the forklifts on the wood floor once we're done. Right now, it's on the concrete, but once the wood floor is, only the finest pianos will be in here. Let's go show you the products, shall we? So ladies and gentlemen, this is the flooring we'll be putting in. It's a solid bamboo carbonized flooring. It is a click and lock, very good product. Very good in Arizona as long as it's glue down. Very good product, very strong, very durable. And it's also a light color which will open up the showroom, make it a lot brighter. Dark color tends to make the places feel smaller. Total square footage we'll be installing is 3,300 square feet. This is actually 3,600 square feet. Got about 10% extra for cuts and waste.
Vinny spends hours with customers to make sure they get exactly what they want. Royal Wood Flooring is in the business of making dreams come true. Before the installers lay down the new floor, they make sure the foundation is flat. Royal Wood Flooring must make sure that the flooring is installed seamlessly. That means that doors, stairs, and corners do not look like separate structures from the floor. If the foundation is not flat, the floor will look bad. Royal Wood Flooring makes sure that the entire foundation is clean and ready for the new flooring installation. As we install the floor, you will see how bright the room gets. Riverton Piano Company is in the business of selling luxury pianos, so they need a luxury floor. Royal Wood Flooring will make sure that every part of the new floor is measured, cut, and placed correctly. By the end of this video, you will see how beautiful the floor looks. You can now see how much brighter the room looks. all that needs to be done is to make the finishing cuts and install the floor in the bathroom area. The job is almost finished. Royal wood flooring never leaves the job on clean. We will sweep, vacuum, and finish the floor with a solution that will make the floors absolutely beautiful. Let's hear what Riverton Piano Company has to say about royal wood flooring.
I'm James Harding with Riverton Piano Company. I'm the sales and marketing director here, and I spend most of my time in this beautiful 6,000 square foot store. So certainly we appreciate the flooring that we've had put in. When you're in the piano business, wood is a very important part of everything you do. You think about how it looks in the home, how it looks in your store. So to have a beautiful wood floor like this, the ability to showcase our instruments in different finishes, a variety of different colors, and have them really pop up off this floor and present that upscale, classy image that's not too far removed from what a client may want in their own home is very important to us. So we love the look, we love the fact that it's easy to clean and maintain, and most importantly, we love how it makes our instruments look when clients walk in for that wow factor at the beginning. Royal Wood Flooring's been a great partner for us in this process. We appreciate everything they've done, and the results are undeniable. So we'd be happy to recommend them to anybody who is looking for some good flooring companies to work with.
Royal Wood Flooring is licensed, bonded, and insured. We are certified Bona Craftsmen, a member of National Wood Flooring Association, and a certified installer for Armstrong products.